morning, everybody. Today we'll talk about another form of energy is called heat energy. The main source of heat energy in our life is sun. Sun gives us heat and light. Like what? Like when we stay in a sunny place, we will feel warm and heat. So, sun gives us heat energy. So, the meaning of heat is the energy that makes us feel hot or cold. Like what? Like when you hold a cup of hot tea, you feel what? You feel hot. And when you hold a piece of ice, you feel what? You feel cold. So the meaning of heat is the energy that makes us feel hot or cold. When you hold a piece of ice, what do you feel? First, you feel cold. Why? Because you hold a piece of ice. After a short time, ice changes into liquid. Why? Because heat transfers from your hands to a piece of ice. So, it will change into liquid. First, heat transfers from your hands to piece of ice. Second, heat transfers to your hands from a cup of hot tea to your hands. Heat transfers from what? From a cup of hot tea to your hands. So, heat transfers from your hands or to your hands. So, heat is transferred from the body of high temperature to the body of low temperature. Like what? Like when you hold a piece of ice, heat is transferred from high temperature, like your hands, to low temperature, like a piece of ice. We have many sources of heat energy. First, we'll talk about the sun is the main source of heat on Earth. The heat of the sun reaches to the Earth by radiation. What is the meaning of radiation? Like this. Look at this. Sun gives us heat to the Earth by radiation. Radiation like this. Look at this. Like waves, like rays. Okay, so sun gives us heat by radiation, reaches to the earth by radiation. Another sources of heat energy, like what? Like rubbing. Yeah, do this with me, please. Rubbing your hands together, you feel what? You feel warm. Yeah, you feel heat. So, by rubbing your hands together, you will take heat energy. This is the first source of heat energy. Burning. Burning of papers. Burning of wood. Burning is a source of heat energy. By burning paper, you feel what? You feel heat and warm. By burning wood, you feel what? You feel heat. Okay, so burning paper or wood gives us heat energy. Another thing is called friction. Friction, what is the meaning of friction? Look at this. Rubbing your hands. When you touch your hands together, what's happened? This is called contact. This is called a touch between your hands, between two surfaces. This a contact or a touch is called friction. It's called friction. Like by using matchstick to fire, this is called friction. So friction is a source of heat energy. So we have many sources of heat energy, like what? Like friction, burning, rubbing. Another example of sources of heat energy, like lamp gives us heat energy, hold of cup of hot tea, and burning. Now we will answer this complete. First, there are many forms of energy, like what? Like solar, yeah, like kinetic, magnetic, and light and heat energy. Number two, the main source of heat energy, the sun. Number three, there are many sources of heat energy. Number three, there are many sources of heat energy. Like what? Like rubbing your hands together, like friction, like by using matchstick, and like burning. Number four, sun gives us heat by radiation. Like what? Like waves or rays from the sun to the earth. Okay, thanks.